Hello, this is Christy from Christy's Classy Clips, coming on to just give a little review on the Sport Flexi. I just got it and I could not wait to try it, and I'm as impressed as everybody else has been saying they have been. This stayed in the entire time. It is very comfortable. I don't even notice it, just like a regular Flexi, only this is waterproof, has 24-hour hold, and it's not going to damage your hair. And these Flexis have been selling out, so if you have not gone to look at them yet, do it now. The fall colors were just released early because the other ones sold out so fast. So I'll show you what my hair looks like in the back. I just did a quick kind of mini French twist. You just threw it up there. My hair stayed like this the entire time. It wasn't going anywhere. It wasn't bouncing around on me. It's great. And I'll just take it out just like a normal Flexi. Just pops right out. And it's got the notches on each side. It's just like a flip because you can wear it either way. So right now these Flexis are only one size, which is about a medium for the largest size that you can get it. But with the notches you can make it smaller. If you have more hair, there are people that have been making this work. Like if you put your hair up in a big bun, you can kind of go off to the side and hold it that way, and it's been working. Eventually the bigger sizes should come out. But I'll show you here quick. I'll put my hair up in that twist. And I do kind of a cheat way, kind of wrap it around my thumb and just pull up like that. And then I'll just get some hair there. And I'll go underneath, come out the other side and put it on the first notch there. And there we have it. Hair is in. It's going to stay in there through an entire workout. If you're active, these are great. If you're not that active, these are still very comfortable. People have been doing it gardening, any kind of outdoor activity, and it's good for back to school for kids as well. If you're interested, check out my website and go grab it now before they're gone. Have a good night.